How to fix GCash can't update. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So if you are experiencing issues with updating the GCash app, here are some steps that you can try. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable one, as a poor internet connection can lead to update failures. Clear cache and data. Go to your device's settings, then try clearing both of them, and then attempt the update again. Update operating system. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated ones can sometimes interfere with app updates. Storage space. Ensure that you have enough storage space on your device. If you're running low on storage, it can prevent updates, so go ahead and delete unnecessary files or apps if needed. Reinstall the GCache app. If the update still fails, you can try uninstalling the GCache app and then reinstall it again. Check for app-specific updates. Sometimes app updates are incompatible with certain device models or operating systems. So if you are using an older device, check if the app developers have released an update that's compatible with your setup. Contact GCache support. If none of the previous steps worked, it's a good idea to contact the GCache support for assistance, as they might have specific recommendations or be aware of known issues related to the app update. And remember that it's important to keep your financial apps like GCash up to date to ensure security and access to the latest features. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix GCash can't update. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.